Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Databricks with personal access tokens, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Databricks account. Navigate to the Workspace dashboard. Locate your user profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to open the drop-down menu. Select the option labeled User Settings from the menu. In the User Settings page, find and click on the Access Tokens tab. Next, look for the button that says Generate New Token. Click on Generate New Token to create a personal access token. You will be prompted to enter a description for your token. Provide a clear and concise description that helps identify the token's purpose. Optionally, set an expiration date for the token if necessary. Once you have filled in the required information, click the Generate button. After clicking Generate, your new access token will appear. Make sure to copy the token immediately. Store the token in a secure location, as it will not be shown again. Now that you have your personal access token, open your preferred development tool or environment. Add the token to your application's configuration or authentication settings. When making API calls, include the token in the authorization header. Format the authorization header as follows: authorization, bearer your _token here. Test the authentication by making a simple API call. If successful, you will receive a response confirming your access. If you encounter any issues, double-check that the token was copied and pasted correctly. You are now ready to use Databricks with your personal access token. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.